Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, another farm vlog today. As you can see, I'm in the farm. Today I feel a little bit tired, a little bit stressed, but we have to do what we have to do to make some money, okay? So in today's video, we are here again to cut out the plantain ridges, like the plantain hands. This one you're seeing there, this ones, we are here to cut it out. So I said, let me take you guys along with me. And today is it's finally looking like Christmas, the weather and everything. Okay, so that's basically what we'll be doing today, and I want to take you guys along with me. With that being said, let's get to today's video. So guys, as you guys can see what the farm is looking like, and that is my sister and my brother and my dad over there. So we are here today to cut out ridges to complete the ones we made yesterday. So I said, let me film it and take you guys along with me to see the process we undergo in getting a healthy plantain. It's not an easy work, but we have to put in the effort to enable us to get more healthy and more bigger fruits when they start to harvest. Okay, so this is what we are basically going to do today. As you can see what my sister is doing down there, she's cutting out the ridges, the old stem hands of the plantain to enable air, breeze, and more nutrients to flow into the farm. And that is basically it. Okay, so with that being said, let's continue. Now I need to go. So guys, as you can see what we are doing, we are flipping the farm so that all this grass, all this unwanted weed is going to die. So this chemical we use to flit it down so that the wanted grass will go. That's basically what we are doing here.
Line by line, according to Nicola, anybody. You can come again, you come by. You don't get your way, because you do it.
So this is cassava and corn farm. This is what it looks like. So guys, we are almost done. It's remaining just 2 ridges to round up. That there you can see my border. That is only where it's remaining to round up. And this is what it's looking like after cutting the dry hands of the plantains. This is what we're able to achieve so far. We have been here since 10 a.m. and this is 2 p.m. so we are here to about 4 hours or so now, and we are rounding up. But before here, we'll still stop to the corn, and we'll still have to stop to the corn and cassava farm farm to flit it the unwanted grass. I'll be taking you guys along to there to see what we'll be doing there. Okay, so with that being said, this is me making an outro of this vlog. If you have watched up to now, please show me love by hitting the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you notify whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so with that being said, see you guys in my next video as I take you guys to our other farm.